Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this problem, we have a diagram that shows an electrode with atoms. Um, should be round atoms. And these are my atoms, and they're all the same size. And then I have where an atom used to be, kind of showing a dotted, and now I have an atom and it's a little bit smaller over here. And here's where an atom used to be, but it's come out here into the solution and it's a little bit smaller now. And then I have my bigger atoms here again. And so the first question is we're looking at what this reaction is representing in terms of redox. So what do I have? I have a metal here that's becoming a metal ion over here with some charge, some numbered positive charge over here. It's going to have a it's going to have a positive charge over here, whatever it is, +1, +2, some number. So it's gone from being a regular metal to having being a positive ion. Therefore, it has lost electrons, and therefore this picture is depicting oxidation. Okay, because it is becoming more positive. It is losing electrons. Therefore, it is showing the oxidation process. And then the question further asks us, does that make this the anode or the cathode? And this is a straight memorization, although there's a little trick. So the trick is that I teach is vowel, vowel, consonant, consonant. That is that oxidation occurs at the anode and reduction occurs at the cathode. And since we determined that this is an oxidation half reaction, this must be the anode. Finally, the question asks us why these spheres here that are part of the solution are smaller than the spheres here that are still part of the anode. So the atoms here are still atoms, right? And as they come out of here, they're now ions. And what happened in order to form that ion? They lost electrons. And in many cases, they lost their whole outer energy shell. Therefore, they're going to be smaller. They're going to have a smaller radius because like I said, sometimes they've lost a whole energy level, but at least they have lost electrons, and so you're going to have a greater proton to electron ratio, and therefore you are going to have a smaller radius because of that attraction due to Coulomb's law. So those ions will be smaller than the atoms they started out as in the anode.